Welcome back to my first video. Today I'm gonna be showing you my firecracker stash. So let's start. So this is Irish by Mercury. It cost me around 200 to 250 rupees. It's a sky shot. It's a very nice sky shot. Next is a 12 shot by Apple Fireworks. It cost me around 250 rupees. And this is Ganga Jamna by Vadilal. It cost me around 40 rupees. If you have a good bargaining skill, you can get it on 30 rupees. So this is 5 falls. I got it from 120 rupees. He said it cost around 120 rupees, and it's a sky shot. So this is again, and this is Ganga Jamna by registered Rathan's Falcon. It cost me around 60 rupees. This is Deluxe Chakri by Sunshine. It cost me around 100 rupees. This is Fuljadi by Rajan's Dolly. It cost me around 30 rupees. This is Anar by Ganesh Fireworks. It cost me around 20 to 30 rupees. This is Top 10 by Coronation. It cost me around 200 rupees. If you had a good bargaining skill, you can get it on 180. But today, here we are gonna unbox all of them. So this is Coronation. It looks like this, and we are gonna test it. And this is Vadilal's Ganga Jamuna. So everybody know I don't have to unbox it, just get lost. This is Ganesh Fireworks flower pot. It cost me around 100 rupees. And this is Deluxe Chakkar by Sunshine. It cost me around 20 to 30 rupees per piece. This is Ganga Jamna by Falcon, and it cost me around 60 rupees, and it looks like this. This is 5 falls by Shima. It cost me around 120 rupees. So let me see it. It's look like this, and we are gonna test them out. This is 12 shot by Google. We are gonna unbox it. We are gonna unbox this. It looks like this, and we are gonna test it on later. This is Ganga Jamna. This is Ganga Jamna by Vadilal. And this is Mercury. I'm going to show you the piece. We are going to test it later. And this is Mercury. That piece cost me around 30 rupees, but I just got it for 200. 30 pieces for 200. It's not a bad price. This is Food Ready by Rajan's Dolly. It cost me around 30 rupees, and it's time for finale. So I am going to show you my firecrackers, biggest firecracker. This is Ladi by Cock. I have already unboxed it. You can check it out on Mehfooz Khan's channel. He is my closest friend. And so thank you.